Do you think Leo Messi should return to Camp Nou Stadium in Barcelona City before he retires after his 2026 World Cup, FIFA World Cup? Because he started off there, so he might finish at FCB Barcelona. So yeah, Messi should really return to Barca before he retires after the 2026 World Cup. Messi the GOAT, guys. Messi the true GOAT of football, and he must say bye to Barcelona before he retires. So Messi come back to Camp Nou. We really miss you at Camp Nou. The whole stadium was crowded when you were at Camp Nou, and yeah, so please come back to Camp Nou, Leo. So we really need you to say goodbye to us at Camp Nou Stadium. So to say goodbye to Barcelona before you retire after the 2026 World Cup. You see what happened after you left Camp Nou Stadium. So we really need you, Messi, and there's so little fans now, unless when you come back, you will rise again. Yeah. Camp Nou miss you of all the Barcelona supporters, and we really need you, Messi. And I'm also a Barcelona fan, so Messi, please come back to Barcelona Camp Nou Stadium before you retire after the 2026 World Cup. Yeah, we really need you, Messi, for your last dance at Camp Nou Stadium. So we really miss you at Camp Nou. I'm really sad that you're gonna retire this year. You're going to so early or late at the night or early in the morning. So I can't watch. So please try to come back to Barcelona Camp Nou. Fans miss you at Camp Nou. Because it's fans, supporters here when you were at Camp Nou, and yeah. We really miss you now, my Messi. So yeah, you must come say goodbye to Camp Nou before you retire, and yeah. I I, I am so sad that you're gonna die, but your children is going to become the new coach. But please try to come back to Camp Nou Stadium and say goodbye um to friends. Yeah, we really miss you in Camp Nou Stadium, and please try to come back to Camp Nou.